So most important requirements. There is the evaluation criteria. That's basically what you want to look at. What floats your customer's boat? What are they looking for? So you can, and then you can rank them. So which is what I do. So you can see here, I've just got a bunch of top 10 criteria. Change these, depends on what your customer is looking for. And then I've ranked them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I can actually put a score, like how do we perform. So you've got a little tick here. Green is good. A warning sign is there's work to do, and then a red means we're not so hot. So this is a great way just to really quickly find out what's important to your client. You may need to do some digging. It's not potentially things you're going to know immediately, but keep that in mind. It's important that we understand who is influential in the client's buying decision. What does their buying cycle look like? And try and get a clear representation of that in your mind map. So here I have put the different types of roles. So that's how I like to do it. You may prefer to do it by influence. So you may like to do it by champions and detractors, but you can group this however you like. But I like to do it this way because I can see, okay, buyers, decision makers, and executives, they're going to be the ones that are really going to be signing off on the getting the ink dry on the contract. They're the people that have the budgets, and they're the people that are likely to make the decision. So I want to focus on them.